Welcome to Health Miracles. Discover the extraordinary benefits of Kefir, a delicious and gut-loving elixir for your well-being. Top 3 benefits of Kefir. Kefir, a fermented yogurt beverage renowned for its health-promoting properties, is traditionally crafted by fermenting milk with kefir grains, live colonies of bacteria and yeast. With its creamy texture and mildly tangy flavor, often enhanced by fruit purees and sweeteners, Kefir is a nutritious powerhouse. Rich in protein, calcium, vitamin B12, and vitamin A. Studies suggest it may aid in regulating blood sugar, bolstering gut and bone health, and boosting overall vitamin and mineral intake. 1. Enhancing digestive wellness. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that has gained popularity due to its potential health benefits, particularly for digestive wellness. Here's how Kefir can enhance digestive wellness. Probiotics. Kefir is rich in probiotic bacteria and yeast strains, including lactobacilli and bifidobacteria, which are beneficial for gut health. These probiotics can help restore the balance of beneficial bacteria in the gut, promoting digestion and reducing symptoms of digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and constipation. Improved digestion. The probiotics in Kefir can aid in the breakdown of lactose, making it easier for people with lactose intolerance to digest dairy products. Additionally, Kefir contains enzymes that help break down food in the digestive tract, aiding in better digestion and nutrient absorption. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest that Kefir may have anti-inflammatory effects in the gut, which can help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Immune support. A significant portion of the body's immune system resides in the gut, and a healthy gut microbiome is crucial for proper immune function. The probiotics in Kefir can help support a healthy immune system by promoting a balanced gut microbiota. Antimicrobial properties. Kefir contains compounds with antimicrobial properties that can help fight against harmful bacteria and pathogens in the gut, reducing the risk of gastrointestinal infections. Regularity. The probiotics and enzymes in Kefir may help regulate bowel movements and promote regularity, which is essential for overall digestive wellness. Reduced symptoms of digestive disorders. Some research suggests that consuming Kefir regularly may help reduce symptoms associated with digestive disorders such as bloating, gas, and abdominal discomfort. Nutrient content. Kefir is a good source of nutrients such as calcium, vitamin K2, and various B vitamins, which are important for overall health, including digestive health. 2. Enhancing blood sugar management. Enhancing blood sugar management is crucial for overall health, especially for individuals with conditions like diabetes or those at risk of developing insulin resistance. Here's how incorporating Kefir into your diet can potentially help manage blood sugar levels. Probiotics and gut health. The probiotics found in Kefir may positively influence blood sugar levels by promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Research suggests that an imbalance in gut bacteria, dysbiosis, may contribute to insulin resistance and impaired glucose metabolism. By supporting a healthy gut microbiome, Kefir may help improve insulin sensitivity and glucose regulation. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is associated with insulin resistance and impaired glucose metabolism. Some studies suggest that Kefir's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce inflammation in the body, which can indirectly benefit blood sugar management. Improved insulin sensitivity. Emerging research indicates that certain probiotics found in Kefir may enhance insulin sensitivity, potentially leading to better blood sugar control. By improving insulin sensitivity, the body can more effectively regulate blood sugar levels after meals. Regulation of appetite and food intake. Some evidence suggests that Kefir may help regulate appetite and food intake, which can indirectly affect blood sugar management. By promoting feelings of fullness and satiety, Kefir consumption may prevent overeating and excessive intake of high glycemic foods, ultimately stabilizing blood sugar levels. Low glycemic index. Kefir typically has a low glycemic index, GI, meaning it does not cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels after consumption. Choosing foods with a low GI can help prevent blood sugar fluctuations and promote better overall blood sugar control. Calcium and vitamin K2. Kefir is a good source of calcium and vitamin K2, both of which play roles in blood sugar regulation. Calcium has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, while vitamin K may help reduce the risk of insulin resistance. Healthy alternative to sugary beverages. Substituting sugary beverages with kefir can help lower overall sugar intake, which is important for blood sugar management. Opting for unsweetened kefir or varieties with minimal added sugars is advisable to avoid unnecessary spikes in blood glucose levels. 3. Benefiting bone health. Here's how kefir can benefit bone health. Calcium content. Kefir is a good source of calcium, a mineral essential for bone health. Adequate calcium intake is crucial for maintaining strong bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Incorporating calcium-rich foods like kefir into your diet can contribute to meeting your daily calcium needs. Vitamin K2. Kefir contains vitamin K2, which works synergistically with calcium and other minerals to support bone health. Vitamin K2 helps direct calcium to the bones and teeth, where it's needed for maintaining bone density and strength. Including kefir in your diet can help ensure you're getting this important nutrient for bone health. Probiotics and bone density. Emerging research suggests that the probiotics found in kefir may have a positive impact on bone density. Some studies have indicated that certain strains of probiotics may enhance the absorption of calcium and other minerals, potentially leading to improved bone mineral density and reduced risk of osteoporosis. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation can contribute to bone loss and increase the risk of osteoporosis. Kefir's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce inflammation in the body, which can indirectly benefit bone health by preserving bone density and strength. Magnesium and phosphorus. Kefir also contains minerals like magnesium and phosphorus, which are important for bone health. Magnesium plays a role in bone formation and helps regulate calcium levels in the body, while phosphorus is a key component of bone structure. Including kefir in your diet can help ensure you're getting these essential minerals for optimal bone health. Protein content. Kefir is a source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing bones, as well as maintaining muscle mass. Protein helps support overall bone health and may reduce the risk of fractures and osteoporosis, especially when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Understanding kefir risks. Kefir, typically made from milk, can pose risks for individuals allergic to dairy. Despite being lower in lactose due to fermentation, those with severe lactose intolerance may still experience discomfort. Additionally, traditional kefir isn't suitable for vegans, but plant-based alternatives like coconut or oat kefir are available. Simple ways to enjoy kefir. Kefir has a creamy texture and a tangy taste that many find enjoyable. It can be savored on its own or used in various recipes to enhance both sweet and savory dishes. 1. Blend kefir into smoothies for a boost of probiotics. 2. Use kefir as a milk substitute in recipes like chia pudding or overnight oats. 3. Mix kefir into homemade salad dressings for added creaminess and tang. 4. Create homemade frozen yogurt or ice cream by combining kefir with fresh fruit. 5. When purchasing kefir, check the labels to find the best option for your health goals. Flavored varieties often contain added sugar, so opting for plain kefir might be preferable if you're watching your sugar intake, especially for managing blood sugar levels. The bottom line. Kefir, a fermented dairy product, packs a punch with its high protein, vitamin, and mineral content. Incorporating kefir into your diet can elevate your nutrient intake and potentially improve gut health, blood sugar management, and skeletal strength. Thank you for exploring the wonders of kefir with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-boosting tips.